In this video, I'm going to explain how you can watch all Netflix libraries with a VPN at your disposal. Let's start with the American library. Log in to the PureVPN app and connect to Netflix US from the list. Once you are connected, go to your Netflix account and search for The Walking Dead, which only works in the US. One of my personal favorites as well. Now how about we enjoy the Japanese library? To do that, all you have to do is connect to Japan from the list. Then search for Samurai Gourmet on Netflix and see if it appears. Yup, there it is. Now let's check Germany. It's time to watch Dogs of Berlin or The Mysteries of Dark. Hey Ulrich. Finally, we have the British library. Connect to the United Kingdom on PureVPN and search for top crime shows. Let's say Line of Duty. Love it. Enjoy Netflix, guys!